helper.
I've got a special ring today.
You're wearing your Ryan's Toy Review ring, huh? We had a Ryan's Toy Review advent calendar for Christmas this year, and this was one of the toys she got. Don't you have another? Don't you have a light up one? Yeah, where's your light up one? Get your light up one. Okay, while you're looking for that, let's show them today what we're opening. We have the Ryan's Toy Review Smashin' Surprise Safes. So this looks pretty fun. Pow! Smash it open. So many surprises to collect. Ryan's World. So you get a little hammer and you hit these little safes, open them up, and see what surprises you get. It looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 safes to open. So that should be fun. Did you find your other rings? Okay, that's okay. We'll find them before the end of the video. Okay, so let's get this open and see what's inside. Maybe there will be a ring inside one of these safes. You think? Alright, let's get this open. Okay, we got all our stuff out here. So, 5 safes to open. Well, you can, but I think, let's not do that though. We want to smash them open, right? Which color you want to do first?
This one.
The red? Okay.
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, you try it and say. Oh. I don't know if you need to hit it that hard. Is that where you're supposed to? That's weird. Huh.
Well, maybe somebody else.
That's strange. I wonder why they're not opening. That's okay. Well, Ryan, that's why. You don't hit this part. You open this part and you hit that part. Okay, smash it up. Silly ass. Is that working? Oh, you knocked the door off.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
It's a little
what'd you
figure.
get?
It's a blind.
Wait, do we have that one already? No? Or is that a new one?
That's a new one.
Okay, good. Because we got some Ryan characters in our advent calendar. Okay, so that one's cute. So wait, we didn't get any that had a t-shirt like this? What were the ones we got? Well, that's cool. So now we have one that has a Ryan's World t-shirt. He's cute. He looks a lot like Ryan. Hi, Ryan. What are you doing today? Alright, so now when you were smashing this, your door popped off here.
He gets a mansion.
Okay. Alright, so that one's done. Alright, what color you want to do next?
The blue one.
Blue? Alright, smash it. Okay.
I lost my ring.
Oh no. Oh, what is that? Is that another slimy hand? We got one of those in our advent calendar.
gosh,
so
yes.
It was our favorite.
Yes!
That was our favorite one to get.
Don't know what it is.
I know, I saw it. Now we got another slimy hand. Yeah, so here's the one we got for Christmas. We love slimy hands. These are so fun. They stick to everything. You can throw them on the wall, throw them on the ceiling, smack people with them. They're pretty fun to play with. So.
In every country and in the whole entire world, everybody needs to have
one because they're just too fun to play
Let
with.
me try to ring.
They do get dirty really fast, but if you just wash them off, they get sticky again. So.
Oh my gosh. Look.
Yep, they have a little ring on there so you can pull it. It sticks to everything. Let me see. That's so good. They're really fun to play with. Oh. See? It just sticks to everything.
Put your finger in the little
I did. Okay, let's put that away for a second. So now we have 2 of those. Put your ring back on. All right, what color now? You got gold, browns, silvers. Gold? Okay, there you go. Don't smash my fingers. All right, what you got? Oh, you got a new ring. A new Ryan's World ring. Let's see it. Who is it? Who's on
It's
it?
Combo
It's
Panda.
Combo Panda. panda. Did you get any combo panda rings?
I did, but it was green.
Oh, you like this one better? Alright, what color now? The bronze or the silver? Actually, it's more like a red, burgundy color. This one? Alright. There you go. Smash it up. Ah! What's it be?
A googly eye.
It's a googly eye. What the heck? Wait, 2 googly eyes. Wait, what do you do with them?
You put it on your iPhone, right? So that they stick
What the?
on you.
Oh, they are. Look. See, they got paper on the back, so you can stick them to yourself or other things.
I heard that lion had a magic one, and his mom had googly eyes on her eyes.
Oh gosh, that's silly. Okay, that's cool. Well, that's cool. Those will be fun to play with.
Wait, what happens if we stick them on our eyelids?
You wouldn't be able to open your eyes. Alright, last but not least, silver. And this one feels really heavy. This one feels really heavy. Okay, smash it open. It's the last one, and it's a heavy one, so I don't know what it could be. Okay, let's see. It's maybe it's slime? That's what I was thinking because, oh gosh, because it's really stuffed in there. What? Oh God, that's a lot of gold slime. How did that end up being the last one we opened? Yeah, it's like oozy slime. Wow.
I'm gonna try these out and put them on my cheeks.
Wow, so some oozy, goozy, slimy gold. Wow, and that's really gold. So we got the slime before. How was it? We didn't really like the slime too much that we got. In our advent calendar, we got slime like this too, but they were like way smaller packs. And what was the issue with the slime? Why didn't you like the slime? I forget.
Because it rips.
It rips up. Kind of like the slime we did with our set the other day. It's not really stretchy or oozy, even though it looks like it is. It's just, yeah, I don't know. So let's open it and see.
Yeah, I'm gonna put these on my hand.
Your hand? Oh, you can put them on your hand.
Yeah, my hand.
Okay. Oh gosh, I want to see how this slime is. Ew, it feels so cold and gooey. Ew, wait, look, helper. This one doesn't really rip up. This one is very stretchy and oozy.
They're reusable.
Oh. Did you hear me? This slime's way better than the advent calendar slime. It's very oozy, very stretchy, and you get a ton of it. So they definitely improved, or maybe we just got a bad batch of slime in our advent calendar. I don't know, but this is way, way, way better. So I'm not so disappointed because this will be, look at this. Ew, it looks like I'm gonna be rich. Look at all this gold I found. Googly eyes and googly slime. Look at this jiggly googly slime. Isn't this better than the other slime we got? It's really oozy.
But it smells like cotton candy.
That just smells like slime to me.
That smells like
slime always has a weird slime smell to it. Oh God, that's fun to play with. It makes your hands feel so weird.
It's
gooey. It's really gooey.
It's
Ew, look at it. It just looks so good. I like the gold color though. The gold color is pretty cool. I wonder if any of the sets have other colors in it besides gold, and what other colors they did. Maybe silver. That's pretty cool. Thanks, Brian. So this was a pretty good set. Not so bad. And look, you got a reusable bag to keep your slime in. You want to hold it or you want me to put it away? Okay. Don't drop it though. So that was a pretty good set. What did you think? Did you like it?
Yeah.
What was your favorite thing you got out of it? The slime? What about the googly? Yeah, the googly eyes. I knew you were going to say that. So, yeah, that was pretty cool. And We got our little Ryan. So now we have a lot of these Ryan characters.
I want to smash it.
No, don't smash the sled. So now we have a lot of these Ryan characters because in the advent calendar, since there was so many boxes to open, we got a lot of them. Who did we get? Did we get a combo panda? We got a combo panda. We got Ryan. We got Ryan's dad. We got, what's that green guy called? Gus. Yeah, so we got a lot of different characters. So now we have like a full set of Ryan's toy review characters to play with. Ew. Alright guys, so yeah. Go out and get yourself a Ryan's Toy Review set because they're pretty fun to open. And make sure to check out Ryan's Toy Reviews on YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. And we will see you next time, guys. Bye.